Set up two WhatsApp account. All you have to need, first of all, make sure to install the WhatsApp app on your phone. Then go to your phone settings. In phone settings, scroll down and tap on advanced features. In here, go down and tap on dual messenger. Under available apps, here you will find WhatsApp option. So all you have to need is just enable WhatsApp and install a second copy of WhatsApp. You will be able to sign into another WhatsApp account in the second copy of the app. Just tap on install. WhatsApp second copy will be installed. Now go to your app screen. In here you will find your WhatsApp second copy. So open the first or primary WhatsApp and make sure to sign into your account, and then open the second copy of WhatsApp, and then go ahead and use a different phone number, and then you will be able to use two different WhatsApp accounts at the same time. That's it.